We welcome here the young lad Cheyenne in the protest. And I would like Cheyenne to say a few words on this occasion, please.
First of all, assalamu alaikum to everyone. Look at this great initiative taken by the PTI UK leaders to organize this protest for justice, for democracy and for human rights. Now, we're all here protesting because Qazi Faiz Isa was the Chief Justice of Pakistan. And under his tenure as Chief Justice of Pakistan, there were countless human rights violations. We can see the democratically elected leader of Pakistan, Imran Khan Niazi, is still illegally incarcerated in a prison, in a death sentence. So Pakistan, you tell me, is this human rights being upheld?
No!
So I asked the Middle Temple, I myself am a member of one of the four Inns of Court. I asked the Middle Temple, how are you letting someone so controversial, so infamous for violating human rights, how are you calling him as a master to the bench?
Shame on Middle Temple!
I asked the Middle Temple, I think I speak on behalf of everyone here, we all asked the Middle Temple to immediately expel Qazi Faiz Isa as a member of the Middle Temple. And I think everyone here has one demand that Qazi Faiz didn't uphold. He didn't uphold the rule of law and he didn't uphold the people's will, and that is to release Imran Khan. So for our leader, for our captain, for Imran Khan, I request you all to join me in demanding his release. So I will say release, release. You will say Imran Khan. Release, release, Imran Khan. Release, release, Imran Khan. Release, release, Imran Khan. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak. Yet again, we all ask the Middle Temple to please immediately expel Qazi Faiz Isa and not tarnish this prestigious, honorable society's name. Thank you all so much. Thank you.
Imran tere John Nisab! Imran tere John Nisab! Reha karo, reha karo!